welcome back to Steffi D Creates. It's been so hot lately and the plants in my house are not doing so well. Also, I do not have a green thumb. So we're gonna fix that. Today we're gonna be making these super cute succulent frames that you can hang on your wall and make it look like you can take care of a garden, even if you don't have a green thumb like me. So this is a perfect project for me. If you're excited to see today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you always see new Steffi D Creates videos. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. I love this project. I love the colors. I love the plants. It's so easy to make and looks really impressive. So let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A picture frame. You can buy new or use one that you already have. Gardening foam, 7 to 10 plastic succulents, scissors or a knife, a hot glue gun, and optional items are spray paint and picture hanging kits. To start, we're going to take the backs out of the picture frame so we just have the frame, no glass, and you can use the frame as is if you like the color and the design. I actually spray painted some frames to this beautiful blue color because I like that and it will match my decor. So I'm going to use the spray painted frames, but it's totally up to you for whichever one you want to use. I am using 4x6 frames. They take about 7 to 10 succulents, but you can use this on 8x10s or however big you want to make it. Just make sure that you have enough succulents to fill your frame. The next thing we're going to do is take our gardening foam and we're going to measure out the backing. So like I said, I'm using a 4x6 frame, so I'm just going to measure out so it will fit perfectly inside the frame. Once I know where that is, you can take your knife or your scissors and we are going to cut the foam right where the 4x6 is. Now my foam is really thick, so I'm actually going to cut it in half again, otherwise it's going to stick out from the wall pretty far and it won't be able to hang as easily. So I'm actually going to cut the foam in half lengthwise. If that's still too thick for you, you can go ahead and keep cutting it, but you want to make sure that it's thick enough so it's going to be able to hold your succulents. Now that we have our foam cut and it's going to fit into our frame perfectly, this is the back side of the frame and we're going to glue it in there. So just along the inner ledge of the frame where the glass would go, we're going to put hot glue all over the inside so that the foam will stick to there. Go all around your frame, giving it a good layer of hot glue, and then place your foam right on the inside ledge. Push it together. If you have a little bit of space between the frame and your foam, that's okay. You can fill it with a little bit more hot glue so that it's sufficiently glued on. Now that our hot glue has dried, we're going to plan out our succulents. If you like to plan it out and know where they're gonna go, totally up to you. I like to play the game of risk and figure it out as I go. If your succulents have a long stem on them, you can cut them off. You just wanna make sure that it's long enough to fit into the foam. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue right around the stem. And I like to start up in the corner and put it in there and work my way across. We're gonna hold our succulent in there with the hot glue for about 10 seconds, but it will look like that when you have your first one in there. And now we're gonna work our way across with the rest of the succulents, adding hot glue to the base and then pushing them in. I really don't have a green thumb and I feel bad for any plants that come into my house because I have a really hard time taking care of them. So this is a really great project because it will look like I have plants and can take care of them, but they're all plastic, so it's okay, they can't die. These also make really great gifts for housewarming or birthdays or anyone else who doesn't have a green thumb like me. Make sure that you are filling the frame up so that you can't see the green foam underneath. But the best part is that even if you can see a little bit of the foam, it blends right in so no one will notice. Once your frame is full, they are so cute. You have your own succulent garden. The only thing left to do is to hang it. So if you have any of your stems that are poking through in the back, go ahead and trim them off. And if it doesn't already have a hook to hang it on, that's why I suggested a picture hanging kit, so you can add a hook and hang it to your wall. And there you are, your very own succulent garden that you don't have to take care of and will look super cute on your wall. Enjoy! Wasn't that so easy and so much fun? I love this project. I love the colors. I love the succulents. It's just so easy and looks really impressive. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos when they come out. DIYs, life hacks, 1-minute party tips, And follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, upcoming projects, tips and tricks, giveaways, it's all on there. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, stephidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. If you make this or a bigger one, I would love to see it done as an 8x10. Don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag stephidcreates so I can see your awesome creations. I got some amazing pictures last week from some girls who made our mugs, and they were so cute, so thank you Lily and Ember for sending me pictures of your creations. I'm gonna go hang this on my wall and start working on another one for my bathroom because I think that would be super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.